having a community breakfast here in Al Masjid. Beautiful tradition every first Saturday every month. Everyone brings a dish home for breakfast.
Hey guys, so I got a really interesting question from OA Mia, and I'm going to share it to you in the next snap. So take a screenshot. It's a bit long, but it's worth reading. The bit that really got me interested was the bit she said, I feel like if you procrastinate on normal affairs, you'll procrastinate on religious affairs. That's a very interesting observation. And I'm just going to turn that around and say that actually it's the other way around. If you procrastinate on religious affairs, that's when you procrastinate on all other affairs. Imam Hassan al-Basri has a beautiful saying that says, if you delay your prayers, then expect that other things in your life will be delayed. Your rizq, your marriage, your work, other things you're waiting for will be delayed as well. And his logic is very simple. He said, if the last thing on your mind is salah, for example, and salah is equated to success, then if you delay your salah, you're delaying success and what you really want in life. So sometimes the procrastination is actually a sign of our spiritual weakness and not just a sign of us not being organized, not being managing our time properly. And that's why Prophet Muhammad used to seek refuge in Allah from laziness and deficiency, because these two things actually stop you from doing what you need to do, i.e. procrastination. So here's a dua you should all learn to help you beat procrastination or uproot procrastination. The Prophet Muhammad taught us to recite. So learn this dua, inshallah ta'ala. We actually call this the productive Muslim dua. This is the dua that I recommend everyone should make very constantly in order for them to be constantly productive. So check out this article. So back to question Umayyah, if you want to uproot procrastination, then first make sure that you're not procrastinating on the rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whether it's praying, whether it's fasting, whether it's sadaqah, and see the barakah effect, as we call it. See the barakah effect that you're always on time, you're always early for your salah, always early in your charity and fasting, and that extends everything else in your life, inshallah ta'ala.